Hey everyone, welcome back to Web Tech Knowledge. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple and beautiful image slider using just HTML and CSS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we're going to open our Visual Studio Code, and into the Visual Studio Code, we'll first write the HTML structure. So for that, I'm going to use the HTML structure. So we're going to come over into the body section and we're going to add the div. Into the div, we're going to add a class. Give the class name as slider, and then I can simply give the angular bracket, and then we're going to add another div, then going to add another class. Into the class, we're going to name another slide, then going to save everything, and then we're going to create a image tag img, going to add src, and going to add the first image over here. So before that, as you can see here, I didn't give the angular bracket. Going to name the first picture name. It's called mountain.jpg. So I'm going to add the name mountain.jpg. Click enter and then give a all. All should be slide 1. And then going to give the angular bracket and going to create another image tag. So for that, going to use image src. Going to give the second image name called nature, and then going to give another alt and going to name it as slide 2. Give the angular bracket right now, and then going to create another image tag, going to give src, give the third image name and give a all, and the alt name should be slide 3. Give the angular bracket, and that's it. Going to save everything. So as you can see here, we give the div tag. So I'm going to cut it from here and going to paste it after this image tag. That's it. Going to save everything, and make sure your images are the same size for a smooth slide. Make sure of it. So before that, we need to go for a live server, and from here we can simply see that how the pictures are looking over here. This all are in a size. So we're going to minimize this right now. And then we're going to go for add CSS styling. So for that, we need to simply come over into the head section, and from here we can simply add style. Into the style tag, we can simply start with first slider and going to give the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets, we can simply add the width, and the width should be 100%. And then we can simply add overflow, and the overflow should be hidden. Can save it right now. And now if we look for our website, as you can see, it's now looking like this. So after that, we will going to work with another slides. So for that, I'm going to give the dot and going to type slides, give the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets, we can simply add display, and the display should be flex. And then we can work with the width, and the width should be 300%. And then we can simply add an animation, and animation slide 6 seconds infinite. That's it. We can now simply save everything, and then we can work with the slides image. So for that, I can type here slides dot image and give the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets, we can now work with the width. So the width should be 100%. Can save it everything. And now we can work with the keyframes. So at the rate keyframes slide, give the curly brackets, and into the curly brackets we can simply add 0%, give the curly brackets, margin left minus 100%, and then going for the 33%, give the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets we can type margin left minus 100%, 66%, give the curly brackets, margin left, and give it as minus 200%, then give 100%, give the curly brackets, and going to margin left, and then I can simply save it. So this animation moves the images automatically every few seconds. So for that, we can simply open with the live server. And as you can see that the images are moving right now. So if I just do it simply like this, as you can simply see the changes. So this animation moves the images automatically every few seconds. Now save your file, open index.html in your browser and enjoy your automatic image slider. So this is how we can create image slider using HTML and CSS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget this video for the future notifications.